Is it working?
Yeah.
Hello. What do I say? Christmas. Hi.
What are we on right now?
We're on a date.
Cotton 4K. I'm recording in 4K. Wow.
Drink the goodie.
No, stop.
Oh my gosh. What is that? What is that? It's illegal. Marital hand holding. Let him get our order. Get it.
Like embedded in the ring.
It's not like something. It's not.
They're really pretty and really cute. Oh, see? What? Ah. Oh. Your saliva. Ay, thank you. Where are we right now? No feelings.
No feelings.
With feelings.
Do they have a phone?
Yeah. No way! Cotton 4K!
Look who's almost done. Meanwhile,
I am almost done.
I'm not even halfway. You even got like the large size,
Yeah, I
huh?
got the jumbo size.
You just gotta zoom in, and then it was like on your face. Imagine this in your face, and then like I tapped this and then. Come on! Wait.
I'm cute.
Wow.
So nice. And you just...
Actually, this is a plastic. Whenever we're together and my brothers or like other people around, he's like clingy, but he's not like this. He's not like this. Alright.